In the early stages of an infrastructure project development, teams are typically working towards the creation of 30% plans that can be used to confirm scope, budget, and schedule. How can teams more efficiently generate quality comments and a solid understanding of design intent? The answer? Workflows that combine the power of Autodesk Infrastructure Modeler and AutoCAD Civil 3D. The preliminary design model elements can be brought into Civil 3D in order to create the exhibits that are often required for 30% plan submittals, including approximate right-of-way plans, plan and profile sheets, and first-run cross-sections. In addition to the 2D plan documents, participants can explore the 3D model in Infrastructure Modeler during preliminary design review meetings. Possible scope changes can be more easily evaluated and considered, since adjustments can be made to the model on the fly during the meeting. Once agreement has been reached, teams can continue refining the model in Infrastructure Modeler and bring model components into Civil 3D when it is appropriate to begin more detailed work.